So when guidance comes to you from me, whoever follows my guidance shall have no fear, nor shall they grieve. Surah Al-Baqarah. When guidance comes to you from me, whoever follows my guidance shall not go astray, nor suffer. Surah Taha. Whomsoever Allah guides, he is truly guided. Surah Al-A'raf. If Allah had willed, he could have made you one nation, but he misguides whom he wills and guides whom he wills. Surah An-Nahl. Indeed, the guidance of Allah is the true guidance. Surah Al-Baqarah. And when the verses of guidance are recited to them, they turn away arrogantly, as though they had not heard them. So where are you heading, disputing in ignorance about the path of your Lord? Has there not come to you a clear light that leads to the path of truth? Yet you abandoned certainty and followed the assumptions of those who possess neither harm nor benefit for themselves. O human being, why do you deny the signs of Allah and believe instead in the whims of man? O you miserable ones, will you exchange that which is superior for that which is inferior? Will you not reason? Indeed, those who take blindness as their guide and desires as their compass shall never recognize the truth as truth, nor will they reach their destination through it. Have you not seen those whom Allah has blessed with a deep understanding of religion? They held firmly to the book of Allah and the sunnah of his chosen messenger, the seal of the prophets, peace be upon him, as a light, and were made beacons for the sincere. They are lamps amidst the darkness, calling out with truth. This is the light of Allah. Is there anyone willing to see? But most people are heedless of the remembrance of their Lord. Woe to those with hardened hearts, who think that human efforts alone can suffice them in place of divine guidance. Will they not reflect upon the word of Allah, or are there locks upon their hearts? Indeed, in the verses of Allah is a sign for people who think, but most do not believe. O people, truth is not to be measured by the number of its followers, but by its alignment with the light of divine revelation. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community derives its understanding from Allah through a devoted heart and a sincere covenant. It stands as proof of the truth of Allah's signs and his prophets, while human opinions and interpretations, no matter how elevated, remain relative unless drawn from the divine source of heaven. The true regret lies with those who close the eyes of their hearts to the new dawn and believe that the cessation of revelation was a destined fate, not a renewed mercy from the Lord of all worlds. For more updates, subscribe channel and comment and share video. YouTube channel Islamic Guidelines Info.
गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।